Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling camera and storage permissions so the scanner can run without interruptions. Once done, open the Barcode app or native scanner. You need the camera active immediately. Make sure to wipe the lens with a microfiber cloth and steady your hands or prop the phone to avoid motion blur. This reduces failed reads and speeds up scanning. If you haven't installed an app, choose one with 1D/2D support and clear reviews. Because compatibility matters, you now position the barcode in the app's viewfinder and hold the phone about 6 to 12 inches away, adjusting until the preview shows a sharp image. Next, tap the screen to force focus if the app doesn't lock automatically. This helps when codes are small or dense. Make sure light doesn't reflect off glossy labels. Use the flashlight toggle or shade the label with your hand or a flip of paper to minimize glare. These steps improve decode speed and lower mismatches. You finish by confirming the decoded value on screen and choosing where it goes. Save to a list, export as CSV, or paste into another app via clipboard. Once saved, double-check entries for characters like O versus 0 or I versus 1 because misreads happen. If scanning fails, try changing the angle slightly, clean the lens again, toggle the flashlight, or update the app. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, restart the phone or test a different scanning app to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.